up everybody, JC here with Op7, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Redline triple LED tailgate brake light with the new Redline Easy Connect harness on my 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. I'm going to take you through the whole process from start to finish. Let's get started. Here we have the Redline triple LED tailgate brake light, the instructions, brackets, adhesive promoter, T-taps, and hard wiring cables. In this installation, we'll be using the new Redline Easy Connect harness for the 2019 and newer Silverados and Sierras 1500. First, we'll locate the OEM connections behind the rear bumper of the truck, starting with the driver's side, lightly pulling back the red clip to unlock the connection and releasing it, then connecting the driver's side part of the Redline Easy Connect harness to the original connection of the truck, making sure the harness side with the green, black, and gray wires is the one being used for the driver's side. Next, we will be moving on to the OEM connection behind the rear bumper of the passenger side of the truck. Here we will be disconnecting the wire and connecting the passenger side of the Redline Easy Connect harness to the original connection of the truck, with the yellow, black, and gray wires as the connection being used for passenger side, with the red pin pushed in all the way to lock in place. First, we'll do a bench test to make sure the light bar is working properly before fully installing on the truck. Next, we will wipe down the area with the adhesive promoter where the light bar will be placed, making sure there is no dirt on the area. Taking off the red tape and placing the light bar in the desired location, making sure to push on the area for there to be a full stick-on of the light bar to the truck. Here is a demonstration of all the light bar functions with the new Redline Easy Connect harness. I hope this video was very informative for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.